ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketenat Kam Jngohkai ke Jillau Bapa Lingdo ulong baka Sorkar kan Thung. Iki terrorist bodies ki ban pin Shngain ki nong Jngohkai ki belet kai shiki benta per chong ke jilla pada ka benta ka bening kong ke Sorkar kan Thung shwa san Ngut bar on bu iki jakka ba bun bhagi terrorist kumsha sora dauki hashilong pada umyam. Hakuwe pada kubor ubak pol loong baka Sorkar kan mudoi si yang bishar iki katuk ni gelar pathai kubor ha India ki bela penmi ik kubor ke bakla da ka bakenno baka thain sora ka jaka ka badan jingma ban let kai
gini elek mendapat pembahas yakini ki SOPs ki jong standing operative procedures standard operating procedures ni nginang pembahas susu ki Henry hakan ni ga case kamdei ba ko megalaya ka japuram Henry ke pamda ba ke state jongi lapen sai sabar along sai kedar ba ke megalaya kalong ke Shngain kalong parlok baci tourist ndai lada ki tourist ki kelak criminal te ngin kumnong in yada kata no they should have just remained indoor boleh kinuan sini pi ke ba media house ke Times of India de nang tu kita di YouTubers dan dari kini ki kalau organize media houses ye itu shwa ki bala kum ka Times of India ke bala ahi da definition description yang melias crime prone bakin hap pan cuba haka court of law ki kita ki crime ki ba lajuja ha katain seorang
ini ki kanyo
ka ba lingo kalong ba hinong late nang wan kila nang bun cucu ladapi late entah seseorang pun lap bikin nang kambun cucu sementara kasih bakal mi ini kubur tadi expect bak kanang football kanang jur cucu kanang ki mendai tang bangi don gaji berkat mendai ngelaya sakmak group ban advertise nak benda bantung yakini tourist bodies dia haka first phase hintung sanpongon di bat di babun nak ni kinong shwa haki area kepada density jong gajing wan gitoris khamjur kabumut kithan kumga sora shlong dauki omyam kita explore.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.